So welcome to my YouTube channel. On this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this design on a t-shirt. So as you can see on my screen, there's a design. Looks really good and professional. So I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step tutorial on how to do this. And without wasting much time, I'm going to set up a riddle question for you guys. So if you know the answer to the riddle, put it in the comment section. And if you don't know the answer and you want to know, watch the video. I'm going to put the answer anywhere in the video. Excuse me guys. Okay, so the resources on my right are what we're going to use to make the design. I'm going to put a link in the description to be able to download the resource. And I'm going to start. So the first thing I'm going to use is this resource right here. So I'm just going to put it down here a bit. I go to my trace bitmaps, select quick trace, and I ungroup it. You have to make sure to always ungroup it. It's going to work perfectly that way. So I can delete this. I take this out again. I can delete it, and I am left with the design which I just want to use. So I'm going to bring it a little bit up. Let's say this way. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to go to my interactive filter. I'm going to put in this direction and put it this way. Like this. So here I'm going to give it the black color. I'm going to give here a red color, like a deep red. And I'm going to double click on this and give it a deep yellow color. I have this. So I'm going to select this one, go to my edit, copy properties from fill. Yeah, fill. I'm going to select this. And I'm going to do the same for this. Go to my edit, copy properties from, and this too. And then I come back to this one, go to my interactive fill tool again. And I put here deep yellow. And I have this. Looks nice. I'm gonna highlight the whole thing. Didn't work. No. Alright, like this. I'm gonna give it a black outline. I'm gonna increase it to let's say 1 point. Then I got this. Looks nice. So I go to my ellipse tool. I just draw a circle. Doesn't matter the shape of the circle. Just gonna make some eyes, crazy eyes. So I draw this, and I zoom it a bit again. I draw a circle inside. Okay. And I'm gonna give it a white color. Was it a black color? Oh, a deep yellow color. So I'm gonna give it a deep yellow color. Give the outline a deep yellow color too. I'm gonna give the bigger circle the black color. This way looks nice. So on the smaller circle, I'm gonna go to my shape tool. Let's click on this little white node. Convert to curves. I just double click on that. Double click on that. Didn't work as planned. Oh, my bad. So I right click on it and I click to line. Right click on this too to line. You can see it looks nice. So I highlight it, I hold my shift key and select the bigger circle tool and I duplicate. So to duplicate is Ctrl D and I put it back here. So I'm gonna select only this one. So I'm gonna go back, put the duplicates here, and then I select this one. That's the bigger one. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Go to my bitmaps, convert to bitmaps, and okay. And I go to my effects, go straight to texture and over to wet paint. Yeah, looks cool. 50 points of wetness is okay. So I'm gonna carry this whole stuff. I can reduce this stuff if I want, so it's gonna make it easier for me to highlight the object. Don't really need to reduce it though, just for me to be easier to highlight it. I'm gonna put it right here, control page up to bring it up. That's to be on top of the shed, you know. So I can reduce it. So I'm made it in a small shape, size I mean. Let's increase it a bit. Increase the size a bit. Okay, that's good. So this fire, select the flame. Just gonna put it right underneath here. The same thing, control page up. And reduce the size of it. Okay. I'm gonna push this a bit. I want it to cover the shirts. Alright, and we are done with this one. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna highlight this, but I gotta duplicate. So to duplicate is Ctrl D. Always remember that. I'm gonna put it on this shit, but this time with no flame. Let's take it down a bit. Okay. So let's go. Oh yeah. Just gonna bring it together with it to complete. And you can see it looks exactly like it, although the real design has more outline, like a black outline. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.